Good day and hello everyone. Starting from today, I'm going to show you some Microsoft PowerPoint shortcut keys. Today is Ctrl+A. Hope you like it. Ctrl+A in Microsoft PowerPoint. In Microsoft PowerPoint, if you press Ctrl+A keyboard shortcut, it has following functions. Number 1. In the normal view, select all contents of the slide. Number 2. In the slide sorter view, select all slides. Number 3. In the slideshow view, change the pen tool to normal cursor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified when I publish a new video on my YouTube channel. Until next time, you take care, stay safe, and have a good day. Goodbye for now.